to the Mom Minute. It is day 24, and today's tip is for the mamas to be, those women planning for the future or anyone who wants to know what they wish someone had told them before heading into the delivery room. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed. Stay tuned for tomorrow where I give you postpartum tips as well. Okay, so most of us spend 9 months picking out strollers and nursery paint, but we spend 0 minutes planning for our physical recovery. So here are the 7 things that you actually need to know in your pregnancy. 1, recovery starts in pregnancy. You don't have to wait until the baby is out to start healing. Things like diastasis and prolapse can be treated early on and can help later. Number 2, pressure management is everything. So learning how to breathe, that 360 breathing we've talked about during life, during workouts, is your best defense against injury or symptoms later on. 3, leaking is not permanent. It is not a welcome to motherhood. You might hear that a lot, that, oh, it's just part of being a mom now, but it absolutely is not. It is a symptom that we can resolve. Even if you're a few years out postpartum, let's talk. Number 4, the pelvic floor work that you're doing is core work. They aren't separate. Your pelvic floor is the basement of your core. We need to work both to heal. 5, adjustments matter, but not necessarily the ones you think. It's not about doing less or even really changing the workout. It's about switching your focus to your core and pelvic floor more, adding things like props to aid movement, and targeting areas that posture affects the most during pregnancy and even postpartum. Number 6, you can monitor diastasis recti. You can catch diastasis recti early and prevent it from getting worse by managing how you move and knowing the signs of it. Okay, and finally, there are plenty of professionals who can help you. You don't have to DIY your recovery. From PCES experts to pelvic floor PTs, there's a whole village of people ready to help you, okay? Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your body. If you want to start that pregnancy or even your postpartum journey with a solid plan, grab my pelvic floor essentials guide at the link below, and I will see you tomorrow for day 25, and we'll talk about some tips for that postpartum period.